Hello, student of Standard 9. How are you? Fine. Now, in your book, chapter Force and Laws of Motion, one activity is given, very popular card and coin activity, which is given in page number 118 of NCERT book, activity number 9.2. What is that particular activity? Simple. Set a 5 rupee coin on a stiff card covering on empty glass tumbler on a table. Give the card a sharp horizontal flick with a finger. If you do it fast, then the card shoots out, allowing the coin to fall vertically into the tumbler due to its inertia. The inertia of the coin tries to maintain its state of rest even when the card flows off. Now, which I told you regarding that activity number 9.2 of NCERT Standard 9. Now, what is the correct explanation? Before coming on to the correct explanation, you have to understand some basic fact. The fundamental second law of Newton's motion, F is equal to m v minus u by t. F into t is equal to m v minus u, change in momentum. That is the impulse. That is the details we are going to discuss later on, but these are the fundamentals required. Force of friction, F, small f, directly proportional to normal reaction by the contact surface. Small f is equal to mu into n, where n is a normal reaction, which is equal to the weight, that is m into g. F is equal to mu m into g. And this, you have this third fact you had already gone through in the second equation of the motion, s equal to ut plus half at square. If u is equal to 0, then s is equal and s equal to del s, then del x is equal to half at square. Now come on to the fact. What is the fact in this misconception? Suppose the card is having the length L from the coin, this, and the mass of the card is capital M, mass of this coin is small m. Let the friction coefficient between the card and the coin is a mu. Force applied during the flickering is capital F. Duration of flickering is del T. Coin is slipping over the card, friction is also there. During this flickering, small interval of time, that is the duration is del T, we can write the equation of this motion. F is F capital F minus small f. Small f represent force of friction, which is acting against the motion, against the force, into del T, that is equal to change in momentum, that is the capital M into V, mass of the card into velocity of the card. That is from second law of motion. Next part is that as F, capital F, which is the applying force, is much large and small f is much smaller, so we can neglect the small f. We can write the same equation in this manner. Now from here we can write the capital T is equal to L by V. L is that particular distance which is moved by the coin or the card. So L m by f into del T. Time, this capital T is means the time taken by the card to move the distance equal to its L value. Now for coin में क्या क्या हो रहा है? Small f is equal to mu into L, mu into n. N is what? Normal reaction. Small f is equal to m into g. ये हम जानते हैं, फंडामेंटल में अभी डिस्कस किए. Small a, acceleration is equal to f by m, that is equal to mu into g in the forward direction, that is the distance moved by the coin. अब हम लोग ये निकालें डिस्टेंस moved by the coin, that is del x is equal to 0 into t. Initial speed we have taken 0, half a t square. Now put the value, we will get the del x is equal to half mu g into lm by f into del t whole square, right? So ultimately del x is equal to half mu into g L square m square by f square del t square. This is the particular distance which coin is going to move. Now, just you see, that distance should be less than the r. What is r? R is the radius of the ग्लास. इससे ये डिस्टेंस से कम होना चाहिए, ये वाला डिस्टेंस. सो कॉइन ऑल्सो मूव्स, कॉइन to fall into the tumbler if del x is less than r, not because of inertia of rest. To fall of the coin into the tumbler in proper way, then we can say कि कॉइन जो है टम्बलर के अंदर तभी जाएगा जब म्यू द कोफिशिएंट ऑफ फ्रिक्शन बहुत कम होगा. स्मूथ कार्ड अगर लेते हैं, कैपिटल एम मास ऑफ द कार्ड शुड बी वेरी लेस, कार्ड का मास कम होना चाहिए. ये दोनों फैक्टर पर डिपेंड करेगा कि वो कब वो कॉइन टम्बलर के अंदर जाएगा. और ये डिस्टेंस हमेशा इसके रेडियस से कम होना चाहिए तभी. तो यहाँ पर हम क्या देख रहे हैं कि कार्ड भी कॉइन भी मूव कर रहा है. कॉइन इज ऑल्सो मूविंग. ऐसा नहीं कि कॉइन अपनी जगह में था और वो इनर्शिया ऑफ रेस्ट से गिर गया. कॉइन ऑल्सो मूव्स, लेकिन कितना मूव? इतना मूव करेगा जो कि रेडियस से कम होना चाहिए, तभी वो ग्लास के अंदर जाएगा. तो ये मिसकंसेप्शन है, इसको समझना जरूरी है. ये कुछ और टॉपिक्स हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे लेटर ऑन. ओके, थैंक यू.